Hi, T here from RC Guys, kinda. And today, I'm gonna do a little open boxing of the Axial scx24 deadbolt, 1/24 scale. Now, I've already opened the box because I'm all by myself. It'd be kind of hard to do it because I only have two hands. So what came in the box? A little truck, a basic radio, battery charger for USB, 4 batteries for that, which is kind of weird because that really doesn't happen very often. And looks like we get a drive shaft and 4 legs and 1 body clip, a connector guide, and the manual. Look at it. Look at it. It's got GPS. It's got stereo. Okay. Alright. Let's check it out. Tires. Kind of squishy. There's nothing to them. There's no foams in it. It's just air. You don't really expect much from it being so small. I like that. Yeah. Easy open. 350 mAh battery. Not exactly sure how long I should let. I should get at least a half hour's time out of it. I have no idea. Let's get that little itty motor, which I might go brushless with at some point in time. Maybe. So this pretty much looks exactly like on the underneath the CMC version, which is like a full body Jeep. Now a lot of people really don't understand, like, how big is a 1/24 scale? It's that big. But to give you somewhat of a reference, that is my 10th scale Gen 8 body. So yeah, it's pretty small. But it's probably lots of fun. I mean, especially for indoors, seeing how winter's going to be here, you can just throw a bunch of stuff down your carpet and start rolling over it. Which is exactly what I'm going to do. Some sliders, fan, a couple of boxes. Make the common man indoor crawling course. But I'm T, 2, RC Guys kinda. We're also on Facebook. You can find us, follow us, stalk us, click, share, like. T out 2 RC Guys kinda. Oh, Brad, where's Brad?